1MBI600U4-120 and its applications by uscomponent.com. The 1MBI600U4-120 with 600 amp and 1200 volt is a power semiconductor module manufactured by Fuji Electric, designed for high-power applications requiring efficient and reliable power conversion. Here are some common applications where this module might be used. Industrial motor drives. The 1MBI600U4-120 module can be utilized in motor control applications across various industries, including manufacturing, materials handling, and automation. It allows for precise control of AC motors, enabling smooth operation and efficient energy usage. Renewable Energy Systems. In renewable energy systems such as wind turbines and solar inverters, the 1MBI600U4-120 module can be employed in the power conversion stages to convert DC power generated by renewable sources into AC power suitable for the grid. This helps maximize the efficiency and reliability of renewable energy systems. Uninterruptible power supplies, UPS. UPS systems rely on power semiconductor modules in their inverter stages to convert DC power from backup batteries into clean AC power during mains power failures. The 1MBI600U4-120 module can provide the necessary power handling capabilities for UPS systems, ensuring continuous and reliable power supply to critical loads. Electric vehicle, EV, and hybrid electric vehicle, HEV, drives. In the automotive industry, power semiconductor modules like the 1MBI600U4-120 are used in motor inverters for electric and hybrid vehicles. These modules regulate the power supplied to the vehicle's electric motor, enabling efficient and reliable propulsion. High-power switching converters. The 1MBI600U4-120 module can be employed in high-power switching converters, such as those used in industrial power supplies, welding equipment, and high-frequency induction heating systems. It enables efficient power conversion while maintaining high performance and reliability. Power conditioning. In power distribution systems, IGBT modules like the 1MBI600U4-120 are used for power conditioning and voltage regulation to ensure stable and high-quality power supply to critical loads. They help protect sensitive equipment from voltage fluctuations and ensure uninterrupted operation. Overall, the 1MBI600U4-120 module is a versatile component suitable for various high-power applications, where efficient power conversion, reliable operation, and precise control are essential. Its robust design and performance characteristics make it ideal for demanding industrial, automotive, and renewable energy applications. Ready to buy 1MBI600U4-120? Please contact sales at uscomponent.com or scan the QR code on next page. Thank you.